Play guard role.
Yeah, okay.
Ready food, Battleman.
Hanap ko yung ano nila. Sino ba yung caller nila?
Either Ice Smokey or Tokontal din.
They're trying to look for me to mark me, hide.
Sino caller nila mag?
The caller should be Ice Smokey.
Ice Smokey, Ice Smokey.
Si Ice Smokey.
Wait, nag-ano? Titake ng Summers ka?
Hindi. Ano yan?
Fight na nga tao nila.
Nag-drop lang ng banner para ata makapag ano.
Makapok.
May nakita akong solo bomb ba? Minarkahan ko yung solo bomb nila.
Okay, 3, ano yata to, 3 range, dalawang witcher, tapos pakantal.
Meron palagi silang ano dyan, pre.
Wait, friendly fight ba to?
Oh, friendly fight yan tayo.
Yes, do
Meron
it.
palagi silang Siege Bobam, ha.
We have 3.
Away, amigo.
Welcome to
Yup,
Inner Ring.
it's a friendly fight. Ba, tatakot kayo, sinisistay rin natin.
May Siege Bobam parati yan, ha.
Yeah, listen, they have 3 range bombs, okay? They have 2 witchwork, they have 1 siege bow. Mahal ka po na pussy.
Lady Crown?
Yung Siege Bow, yung kay ano.
Dalawa lang tayo.
Maybe you have me, I'm not sure, but that's the info right now, okay?
Okay. Or pakantal lang.
Yeah, listen.
Si Ice Smokey yung main color nila kapag ganyan, Zerg.
Lipat ka ng pwesto, ano? Not dito. Kung asan ako?
Hindi ako pwede bumaba.
Ice Smokey main color.
Kaya na naman catch eh.
Yeah.
Baba pa. Ngayon, against the ano ka? Gate.
Sino ba nila? Si
Dito lang.
What ka, Jax?
Ayan.
Oh, ice smoky daw eh.
Hindi. May bomb squad yan na sobrang lethal eh. Si Wookie yata. Naglalaro pa ba yan?
Yeah.
Inching up sila.
Okay.
Inching up where? East side?
East side na.
Yung bala yun. Too deep pa. Mga BMs ha.
May silence ba tayo na ano?
By
RP?
jug later, make sure,
We have.
if we full push and walk in, right, I will fake. My curtains
Can
can
the
fake.
100 can use
Then
silence.
everybody just look at jug, okay?
You
Jug, please stack as much as you can. Make sure you guys spread
And cancel
everywhere
their
when
pulse.
we're pushing. Spread
You need-
everywhere. Some DPS can
Lady
go
Crown,
like very
yung
deep
ano,
on them.
silence.
So, okay.
Silence Q.
If they try to engage inside, make sure silence, CC and everything, and no.
Tokontal probably is playing bomb. He's using soul side.
Ano yan dito content?
Ingat boys, mayroon silang
Siege
hold up.
bomb.
Ay, may
Okay.
kidnap sila hold up. May kidnap sila.
Chill.
One outside B. One outside B.
They have kidnapped. Be careful. Ikot nga ako
I don't
sa
see
likod.
Ice Smokey bro.
Hindi ko makakita din. Ikot ako sa likod. May kidnapper sila eh. Ayoko nga dyan.
Mamamatay ka lang dyan. Pre.
Dito ako. Ikot ako sa kabila. They have kidnapper.
Pati food up. Engaging. Nawala si
Yung-
Mugi?
Yun lang.
It's moving to.
Nagsasalita ba si Mugi?
Hindi.
Ay, akala ko na-DC ako.
Careful, hoy, why do I have people dying already? Dung pucks,
Patay na
man.
agad sa
Yung Vecnom, yung dung puck.
Bobo.
First blood.
Ano yung naging
Like, see, I'm chilling here, right? I'm chilling here. Tell me, what are you guys doing? Why do I have 2 deads here? Oh, no, only 1 dead. Why do I have 1 dead, right?
Log ba?
I'm chilling
Nag-engage?
here on the west side, right? Tell
Hindi
me.
nag-engage.
Seal up my
Meron silang
front
ano,
line, my front line.
E3 Shaper.
Hindi ko talaga
We have
mamarkahan.
3 range bomb, okay?
Nung
1
kakatch
siege
sila.
bow. Where is Smokey?
Mama.
Heal up. Yo, call out. I'm not hearing anything. Call out when the bomb's engaging. Battle mounts, hello? Call it out.
Wait lang,
Nice,
nagdalag ka.
Grim Bomb.
Potang eh.
Yeah, heal up. Oh my god, who did? Yo guys, come on. Can you guys fucking watch the bomb squad, enemy bomb squad?
May rift bomb sila sa northeast.
Yeah, they have a drift bomb on the northeast, they have a one at the southeast side. They have a shaper also.
Southeast
I think they
William.
have, I think they have a brim. Careful, brim. Siege.
Please
They
stop.
have a siege. Yo, listen. Look at northeast. Get ready. Oh, shallow.
May balista tayo na. Targetin niyo yung balista nila. Hindi ako
Can I get
makapag-stop.
someone? Can I get to pull outside? Get ready. Okay, just wait. Northeast over the wall, boys. Northeast over the wall. Straight over the wall.
Shipper stacking, shipper.
3, 2, 1. Over the wall. Come back fast. Full defend. Defend. Good job. Come back, boys. Pull back fast. Oh,
Ano
CJ.
color nila? Hindi ko kita sa smoky.
Southeast yung bomb nila.
Na-double engage ako doon.
Sibaw.
Siege mo.
Sibaw.
Shaper.
Palocate agad ng siege bow nila para sa alert mo.
Wala, di mo makita.
Come back. You're getting countered. Heal my front line. Yo, listen. I need someone watch SC, okay?
Siege bow sa akin northeast side.
Siege was sa akin northeast. Careful.
May another bomb pa yan ha. Yung green.
Focus ako
Kontol,
sa siege
namarkahan
bow.
ko na ha. Namarkahan ko na si Kontol.
Where's my...
Coming.
Esa.
Push.
Yeah, listen. We're gonna fake only, okay? Their bomb is gonna counter. We're gonna fake northeast only, okay? Do not
Nutri, play safe muna. Play safe when the wall is
Heal
still...
up.
Ano? Up.
Heal up. Spread. Wait. Yo, listen. Fake only. Stop up. Fake only. Hold it. Ba. Northeast shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast shallow. Over the wall. Come back fast. Give me a locus and full defend. Come back.
No.
Peel up.
Stacking. Shaper.
Bomb stacking. Careful. Yo, touch me. Just hold one angle. Right? Just hold one angle. They're majority on the northeast side.
Yeah.
You hold where my main zerg is, please.
Lady Crown,
Tumagka ka na sa
can you
Ice
go
Walking.
north?
Into
Lady
control.
Crown. Lady Crown.
Goods na. Ang
North,
part
Lady
dito.
Crown.
Nakita mo? Nakita mo,
They need a
Jorogi?
BMS being thrown.
Yeah.
Kontol and Ice Walking.
Right. They have a risk of counter engaging. Careful. Get ready. Defend shallow.
Rigi. Faster. We're going together.
I'm remounting,
Just wait.
defensive
Careful
defense.
front line. Hold on. Gate's broken, okay? Gate's broken. So the people, you have to come back from ano. Everyone get ready. Northeast over the wall. Headbutt. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yo, the siege bow gonna come, okay? The siege bow coming. Ba. Pull the back. Come back. Heal up front line. You're ready. Defend on me. Guard on me.
If you see the bomb, call it out.
Northeast side, bomb.
Good. Alright, good. Just like that.
Northeast side nila yung
Listen,
siege
it's about
lagi ha.
to get smashed
Nakapwesto.
probably, okay? Tanks, watch front line.
Balista,
Call it out in the main zerg.
Balista, please.
Yo, balista. Gawin yung ginagawa
Listen,
mo.
Marley, get ready. Headbutt on the gate. Potion on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the gate. Headbutt. Come back fast. Give me defenses up front.
Stage low.
Ready defend
Come back
dito lang. Ready defend
fast.
dito.
Come back fast.
Wala akong inapindot na wala akong.
Wala akong masyadong nagagawa. Ayos.
Yo, listen. Enemy wall is about to break. Enemy wall about to break.
Fight dog is north.
Fight dog is on north side. Listen. Range bomb can engage anytime, okay? Malika, ready
Bigay
your
mo sa akin,
portions.
Gish.
Range
Gish,
bomb
prime.
gets cocky and go really
Bigay
deep.
agad.
8% on this gate, okay? 8% on this gate. Just
Alin?
careful.
Party
On this
dito.
wall, I mean, on this
Nakita ko
wall
si
on the
fight
north
dog.
side. Get ready to headbutt a bomb squad if it comes very
Hindi,
deep. Tanks, get ready to peel, okay?
Bakit? Color nila
Just
yun?
wait.
Kanina ko pa yun.
Color
ano,
rin nata yan eh. Yeah, color siya. Color rin siya.
Coming.
Bomb stacking. Yeah. Bomb stacking, okay? Siege bow can come very deep. Ready your potion, ready defenses, okay?
Nasa northwest yung ano nila.
Shaper.
Yo, listen, I need bomb stoppers watching northeast. The siege bow might engage
Napatay
deep.
na yung shaper.
Please.
Ayun na yung
Surgeon armor.
Party to shoot.
Yo, bomb coming. Yo, potion on the gate. Northeast, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast now. Come back fast. Come back fast. Tank to them. Peel. Come back. Top left. Right,
Dito
top left.
banda ko.
Good. Come back.
Mapupush nila.
Yeah, tanks. You guys overstayed, tanks. Make sure after you drop your snares, your healing dude, you come back. You guys do not want to hover around too long.
20% na lang yung east side na wall.
Yo, watch my southeast. I'm watching this northeast. Okay, I need eyes on southeast side. Okay.
Sarado po
Careful.
pala yun.
16%. 16%.
Yo, Ballistas, there's a
Wall.
jug,
Nadidismount na ako ng
here on the
ballista.
north side, okay? Yo, come southwest side, come southwest side, come southwest side. Everyone click it, click it. Yo, I play second floor, okay? I play second floor. Yo, I play second floor, I play second floor, I play second floor.
Wait.
Listen, be careful here. You guys can engage here by the siege bow. You guys can get engaged here by the siege bow. The whole bomb squad can reach here. Careful, 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 careful.
Defensive.
Careful, 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 careful.
Bata na. The mountain.
Hold on. Malika, come southeast, get ready, wait. Listen, hold. Careful on this choke, careful on this choke. They can go deep. Careful. Defend over the wall. Heal up. Just wait. Siege bow engaging,
Siege bow bomb.
Your front line. Oh, listen boys, careful here. Bomb can engage over here, okay? They can reach us here. Spread more northwest side. Be careful. I'm telling you now, be careful. Do not go too deep. I'm just watching front line. Okay, they have 3 bomb squad. Listen, they have 3 range bomb squad. Okay. When I walk in later, I need 1 tank
Tumititas
each
na
on the
isa.
range bomb squad. Okay. 1 tank each on the bomb squad. Watch it and stop it. You see the siege bow stacking? Stop it already.
Bam.
Bomb coming, careful. Careful boys, careful. Yo, heal up.
Bam.
Hold on. Malika, get ready. Careful over the wall. You tell me if the siege is engaging, it can wipe me. I need a BMS watching over the wall. Malika, can you guys play on the northwest side here? Northwest side here more. Southeast over the wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast over the wall. Come back fast.
Na-cancel ako ng
Spread NW side, boys. Spread
Dismount
NW
na
side.
Siege stacking southeast.
Siege stacking southeast. Careful.
Esa.
Careful. Heal up front line. Heal front line. Just hold. Spread NW. Careful, bomb coming.
Babababab.
Hold on, boys, get ready. Hold east side, get ready. Hold on. Just wait.
4 yung engage nila. 4.
Wait, kakajump ko pala.
Spear, Sage, mini engage,
Taka ko
tapos
inside, over the
solo.
Careful.
Bomb stacking east side.
Bomb stacking east side. Careful. East side, get ready. Wait. Hold on. You come northwest side more, boys. Okay, come northwest side. Play northwest side more. Everyone get ready.
Siege stacking
Headbutt southeast. Potion. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Headbutt southeast.
Siege.
Come back fast. Give me defenses on front. Nice counter engage. Okay, come back. Heal up. Spread. Just wait. Careful. Bam.
Babababab.
Yo guys, can you guys pull back as fast as you can? Stop hovering in front, man. They have multiple range bombs.
Okay, 10 seconds.
Just hold. Yo, Malika, get ready. Okay, look at me here. Get ready. Southeast. Headbutt. 5, motion. 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast down. I come back. Yo, pull back.
Siege
Careful.
stacking
Siege stacking east. Careful.
Siege.
Siege coming. Heal up. Good. Just hold. Heal up.
I'm remounting. Dito.
Careful.
Watch
Defend.
the siege.
Okay, I'm southeast.
Southeast gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast gate. I got silence. What the fuck? Come back.
Siege bow kami.
Tapos nangatak sila.
Spread.
Side.
Shaper.
Everyone, get ready. Headbutt southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast now. Headbutt, boys. Headbutt. Come back.
Siege stacking southeast. Bam.
You guys, can you guys stop sticking here, man? Multiple times, engage coming here. Control, you're a healer. Why are you even there?
Shaper.
Remounting ako.
I need to remount soon.
Careful, careful. Spread northwest side, okay? Do not come close to the chokes.
Sage stacking, southeast.
Yeah. Yung siege stacking, okay? Siege about to engage.
Fight dog ah. Nagra-wrap around. Trying to look
Yo, get ready. Can I get a pull on this gate? Be ready, okay? On the gate only, shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, gate only.
Ready to
Come back. Shaper. Heal up front line. Oh, Gcash
Sage
dead,
looking,
man.
sage looking.
On battle mount.
They're targeting tanks right now, guys. That's outside.
Just kill my battle mount, man.
Sino?
Si Gcash.
No,
Yo, Malika. Listen. Malika. Wait. Hold. Careful.
Okay lang.
No.
Disposable.
Isa stop, isa
Yo, rip. Yo, guys, stop. Yo, Domi, can you guys stop staying here, man? Multiple times, you guys died there. Oh, no. I'm opening gate.
Shaper.
Careful. Have front line. Just wait. East side, get ready. East side shallow, okay? East side shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side shallow. Come back. Give me, silences. Good.
I'm remounting mo
Careful,
yan.
careful.
Sage bow is shooting. Kikina
Yo.
Ma'am.
Pull out the sage bow, pull out the sage.
Sage bow is at the east side.
Pull it out in the main
Have my
bombs.
bomb
I'm remounting.
front. They engage in shallow. Heal up.
They are just side. They're trying. Yung siege bow nila doy, tinitingnan
Mabidula, engage
yung
ka niya,
top
umalis ka na dyan.
nasa
Hello?
unahan.
Picture coming. Ayan.
Heal up. Shaper. East side, everyone. East side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side now.
Lady Clown, leave your party. Dito ka sa party ko. May mga marks sila. Are you still alive, Lady Crown?
Ang hirap magkaroon dito. Walang balista na kaan.
Yo, help bomb east side. Yo, give me defenses. BMS, defense. Heal up. Good job. Come back.
13% na lang dito sa may east side, hard east.
Yo, Malika. Get ready. Everyone, look at southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
7%
Southeast now.
hard
Southeast now. Come back.
Sage.
Heal up my front line. Careful, spread northwest side.
Nasa south yung effort nila. Nasa south.
Hold on, just wait. Malika, get ready your potion. Let's hold.
East side wall
Yo, Malika, potion, defend. Boys, come on, tanks,
Ang bala niya.
man.
Ako party to. Deleted.
Tang ina, ubos ang party to boy.
Boys, come on.
Wala, no white na.
Stupid.
Nagre-remount ako.
Be fast.
Wasak yung party to.
Ain't nobody watching.
Pinarm.
Yo,
Bam,
but
bam, bam,
pull it
bam.
out in the main zone.
Bobo nyo, putang ina. Ito mga sa east side kayo, guys, stop staying there, man. You guys keep getting engaged doon.
Dạ đấy. Đấy đi, mình ngủ đi.
Where are even the tanks, man? Careful, east side, careful. Defend.
Basag na tong
Come north to side. Yeah, I know. No, come north to side to mage. Come north to side. You get fast. I need the DPS fast.
Ay na, hindi ko ma-drop yung eco. Nasa stun ako.
Not even the fucking battle mount is calling the fucking bomb squad, man. Can you fucking call the bomb squad? Careful.
Tingnan nitong ano.
Southeast shallow. 5,
Dito
4,
sa loob.
3, 2, 1. Southeast shallow. Come back. Spread north to side.
Yung magsalita kayo, battle mode, kayo
Can you
makakaon ng
tell
mga
me when the fucking bomb squad's engaging, man? What's the point of you guys having in front? Your bomb.
Kayo na lang mag-relay, tinitingnan ko lang din sila. Oops.
Spread NW side.
Jorogi,
Come back.
yung nakakamlan, siya ang caller ng ng siege bow.
I'm gonna
Siege
remove
bow?
Ng
all
siege
this
bow, oo.
guys.
Bali, ang style niya, boy, magkakamlan tas isi-siege bow.
Copy.
Nakatingin
Yung
sila sa
shield,
east side. Nakatingin sila east side. Tinitake nila mga tanks.
Mas dali yung mga
Spread.
Yung tanks yung target nila.
Copy.
Nasa south yung
Paano nang iba ako na mag-call?
Yung bomb yun.
Sige
Hindi,
fast.
kahit mag-night helm yung mga buff
White dog
ng-
is calling the siege bow bomb.
So I
Makikita nyo
told you
naman.
guys, if you see the bomb, pull it out in the main comms.
They're stepping up, they're stepping up.
Nasa
Bump
east
up,
side.
Careful.
Putang ina, patay si QCC.
I'm waiting for the gear. I'm waiting. Yo, Lupay, I'm waiting for the gear. Okay, just wait.
I cannot call it out when I'm remounting. What the fuck?
Spin NW, spin NW. Just wait. Let them smash our wall. Let them smash our wall, okay? Spade.
Bam.
Heal up. Heal up. Malika, get
Siege
ready.
stacking is
Siege
Yo,
stacking
there's a
east
jug
side,
inside.
okay?
Jug
Siege stacking
inside.
east side.
Siege might come here. Looking.
Wow, papi ah. Pagtibay siya.
Oh. Careful, Malika. Malika, get ready. Malika, come inside. Malika, get ready. Southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast now. Now come back.
Oh, that. Damage too.
Guard dun sa choke guys.
There's also a bomb rotating at the south. Yung Rick game nila.
Nanay armor yung nasa ano.
Rotating east.
I'm remounting.
Careful.
Bomb kami, go.
Careful east side.
Fight dog looking.
Fight dog looking. Bomb deep. Careful. Heal up.
Can you hit this ballista inside?
Siege. East side shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side shallow. Come back fast. Spread in the beam. Yeah, they're stepping up. Heal up front line.
Another bomb coming. Siege.
Shipper.
Mama.
Another bomb gonna come soon, okay? Siege wall looking. Get ready. They might go deep.
Siege.
Siege coming. Heal up.
Silence.
Two siege sila.
Careful.
Sis lang ko, pinapabayaan lang yung siege bow na i-hit siya.
Oh, Nani. Get ready to stop. I'm not seeing any tanks watching east side, man. East side coming. Defend east side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side now. Come back. Come back. Spread in the view. Another range bomb gonna come deep. Careful. Spread. Heal front line.
Sage looking. Bam.
Front line. Okay, just wait. Spread in the view.
Wala na akong offensive ba?
We're stuck right here. Bump deep. Oh, Nani. Careful.
Siege stacking.
Malika, get ready.
Siege.
East side.
Wait.
Motion. 4, 3, 2, 1. East side. Now come back. Pull back. Give me defend shallow. Peel up. Spread in the view.
Sage stacking right. Southeast.
Siege stacking. Careful. Moki looking. Moki stepping up. Spread south. Spread northwest more.
Siege stacking ah.
Careful.
They're inching up na.
Siege stacking.
Siege
right now.
You're ready, defend. Malika, east side.
Siege.
5,
Tapos na yung siege.
4,
Tapos na yung siege.
2, 1. East side now. Come back. Spread northwest side. Heal up. Spread NW side. Come. Pull them to mid. Okay? Careful. Heal up.
Jug low.
Yeah, I'm low as well.
I'm
still holding.
They're
Reset
pulling
na
back
yung
a
mami,
little.
Yeah, reset mami.
Jug resetting.
Guys, just spread northwest more,
Yo, balista, please, ipakitarget
Siege.
yung mga
Siege stacking.
nagtututi po.
Southeast.
Nakikita akong fucking juggernaut na T6 sa northeast
Check off
natin,
yan.
walang pumapansin.
Check OC.
Yung bastion rin, nagtutu deep. I-target nyo naman, please. Thank you.
Ito control looking, oh. Ito
Pati yung
control looking.
Battle
Careful.
Eagle, pag nakita nyo, please, paki-target ng red. Bastions, yung behemoths, tulungan nyo red, mag-drop kill lang kayo, tapos focus on your W and E with rotation.
Sige na, Dol. I got you.
Careful, Shocks. You're too deep.
The battle mouse, careful. They're trying to kidnap, okay?
Bro.
They're trying to kidnap. Spread.
Bro.
Kidnap sila.
Double OC.
Double C.
Careful. Hila
Hello,
pantay.
hello.
Check double OC guys.
Sage
front
stacking,
line.
stacking. East side.
Siege stacking inside. Yo, double OC. Defend now. Southeast shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast shallow. Everyone come back fast. They cannot run it. Ready defense. Defend out. Nice, heal up. Yo, careful. Bomb might go deep. Watch it, please, watch it.
I'm remounting.
Careful.
Watch
Siege
watch
stacking,
the
siege stacking.
Siege stacking.
Sibaw, Morris.
Someone heal me in the front.
Siege coming. Yo, battle mount inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside on the battle mount. Come back. Spread.
May nagtatry.
Looking! Bam! Inside!
Bam.
Segment.
Heal up.
It was the reflave, ah.
Yo,
Dol,
boys, get ready.
watch
Potion.
yung
Just wait.
reflave, ah. Pakishot na lang kay Mugi.
They're gonna come deep.
Nakabantay
They're gonna
ako.
bomb deep. Heal up. Everyone, get ready. Oh my god, man. Come on. Tanks, man. Don't be fucking stopping it to go, man. You see it. I see it.
Inside reflave!
Oh, no,
Bam!
Malika, southeast. Get ready. East side shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast shallow. Come back. Bomb coming in. Come back.
Si.
Pama.
May na-knockdown.
Spread north. Let them step up. Hold. Nice one, Kaba. Nice one. Yo, heal up front line fast. Hold on. Just wait. Wait for main engage. Main engage siya na. Muki looking. Heal up. They have another engage. Listen. They have another engage. Hold on. Yo.
Sage bomb east side. Stacking.
Okay. Spread northwest.
Bam! Reflave! Bam!
Deep.
Boys, come northwest.
Parang ko dito ng Watch Tower, oh. Nakatilot sa kanila. Tinitingnan ko kung umiilaw daw yung mga prop nila.
Spread. Let them come deep, okay? Where's the
Bam!
beach?
Inside, bam!
Bam.
Careful, spread northwest more. Farther.
Boy,
Yo, listen, get
pakinggan
ready
nyo
to
lang ako,
push
boy.
it, okay?
Nakatingin
Wait for
ako
main
sa
engage.
3 bomb squad nila, boy.
Listen, tanks, please watch their bombs.
Ina-lock in, boy, ah.
Nakalock in talaga ako, boy, dito.
Main engage. On the other range. Go away.
Yo, can the behemoth watch the bomb?
Yeah.
Bam!
Yo, listen,
Incoming
listen.
bam!
After the
Incoming bam!
siege bow
Incoming bam!
engage, After one
Bam!
just listen, after the range bomb, after the siege bow bomb, we walk in, okay? We
Pero pwede ka na
absorb
mag-bodyguard
their
ng
big
presidente.
engage, we absorb their big engage, so please watch it. Nobody should be that shallow. Tanks,
Boy, chill.
Stop
Stacking
being
siege.
that
Stacking
shallow.
siege at the east side, ah.
Sage stacking.
Siege is
east side.
stacking.
Siege stacking, okay? Let them go deep.
Is
I want them to go deep.